Authentic is a strange word, especially when it comes to food. Because sometimes we seem almost obsessed with proving that what we're making is the real thing. That it's made exactly how it's supposed to. I'm making aubergine rolls. I got inspired by a dish they make in Georgia. But these are not authentic. And I repeat, not authentic. I could have tried to make it sound more like they are. Maybe it could have made a better story. There's just one small problem. It wouldn't be true. I understand why authentic matters. There is value in preserving traditions, in knowing where something comes from, and in learning how people have made it for generations. But sometimes, I wonder if we take it so far that we become afraid of changing anything, as if recipes are museum pieces and changing one ingredient somehow means we have ruined it. But food has never really worked that way. People move, ingredients travel. We taste something new and bring the idea home. In other words, food changes. In fact, almost nothing we create comes from nowhere. You hear a song, read a book, visit another country, meet someone who does things completely different. And you take something with you. That's how we grow. The problem isn't that I saw a recipe and thought, I want to make something inspired by this. The problem would be if I changed the ingredients, changed the flavors, made them the way I wanted, and then I told you, this is an authentic Georgian recipe. Because then, I'm not just taking inspiration. I'm claiming something. I think it's better to just say, this is where the idea comes from, and this is what I did with it. Maybe we should be less afraid of the words inspired by, because being influenced by somebody else doesn't make what you create less yours. Think about how much of who you are came entirely from you. We pick things up from people throughout our lives. We keep some, we change some. And somewhere in all of that, we become ourselves. Maybe ideas work the same way. We don't move forward by refusing influence. We move forward by learning, experimenting, and creating something new along the way. Maybe being authentic isn't about being untouched by everyone else. Maybe it's the opposite. Knowing what you've borrowed, what you've changed, and being honest about both. Maybe the most authentic thing that we can do is to not pretend that we weren't inspired in the first place.